Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm currently on my way to French class. Something that Dave and I really wanted to do this year was we wanted to take French lessons. Neither of us know French, but we felt like it would be something fun to do together to also push us outside of our comfort zones. I think something important to keep in mind is you are never too old to learn something new, and it is very difficult. We're trying our best and we are having fun. So I'm all dressed up, have my little cat sweater vest on, but before that we're actually going to an event for Love is Blind, so gonna bring you guys to that, which I think should be really fun, and a fun night out in New York with Dave and I. And then this is the look. I have on my Nicole Miller skirt, some Asics. I am obsessed with these sneakers right now, a little Fendi baguette, and that's everything. Look at this outfit. So Dave and I are actually in this month's issue of Cosmo, so we are going to iconic magazines to see if we can get a few copies. So I just wanted to check in. We are on our way to a few coffee meetings, and then I'm going to shoot this fun look. I actually did not need this jacket today. It's so nice out, but I already committed to it. When I commit to a look, I stick to it. And I'm wearing these amazing earrings that I got last weekend at a vintage show in Brooklyn. I think that they're just so fun, and they're actually really light. Something that I get worried about with big earrings is if they're gonna be really heavy and hang and hurt my ears all day, but they're so light and so far so good. And then I'm wearing a little vintage t-shirt, some vintage Levi's, and it's a cute but casual look kind of day as we are heading out and about to a few different meetings. And then later tonight I'm getting dinner with one of my friends. We are finally going to Holiday Bar. I've wanted to try this place for so long. I've seen it all over social media, so I'm wondering if it's worth the hype, but that is everything, and I'll see you later. So we are back in my closet, and I just got a really exciting delivery from Away, so I thought that we could open it together. So personally, I have a ton of travel coming up this spring and summer, so I knew I needed to get some new pieces from Away. So in June, I have two bachelorettes. One is a cruise that leaves out of Florida, and then the other one is in North Carolina. Okay, but this color is so cute. And then come summer, almost every single weekend, I go to Long Beach Island, New Jersey. It is one of my favorite places. I grew up spending my summers there. So as I've gotten older, I really try to make it a point to get back there as much as I can. Okay, so now for the fun part. Let's start with the biggest piece first. The first piece of Away luggage I got is the large in petal. I just love this colorway, and I always recommend getting a colorful piece of luggage because it makes finding your suitcase at the airport so much easier. But let's take a closer look. I'm constantly on the go, so I love that Away has designed pieces to just make traveling easier. I'm personally always a last-minute packer, which I hate to admit, and I'm really not the best packer. So Away also makes these packing cubes, which I'm obsessed with because they're a total lifesaver and just help me organize my suitcase. I also travel with a lot of delicate sequin and tulle pieces, so the packing cubes help protect my favorite items when I'm on the go. And some other features I just love on this suitcase are the interior compression pads and 360-degree spinner wheels. And then the next piece I got from Away is their bigger carry-on flex in the colorway Sky. I absolutely love this color. You guys know that I love colors, so I love that Away has a wide range of color options so you can mix and match for your personal style. Away luggage also comes with a TSA pre-approved lock built into the suitcase, which I love because I always used to have to buy my own locks for my luggage. The hidden laundry bag is also a favorite of mine, so you can easily separate your clothing while traveling. Okay, and then last but not least, I got the cosmetics bag, also in petals, so it matches my big suitcase. The cosmetics bag is so helpful because it keeps all of your beauty essentials organized along the way, and it comes with a detachable brush roll and a spill-proof bottom compartment. Okay, so that is everything that I got from Away. Comment below and let me know which piece was your favorite. I cannot wait to use these. And if you're like me and you're getting ready for a little spring and summer travel, or if you're just dreaming of your next getaway, head over to awaytravel.com or visit a store location near you to pick up all of your travel essentials. Hey guys, so it is the first day of Bridal Fashion Week, so I'm actually heading to a few fun bridal appointments today. As we know, I got married in November, but a few of my favorite brands invited me to appointments, so I figured why not go, so I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Okay, so this is the full look. I'm wearing my new Courrèges t-shirt that I got in Paris. I have never styled it before, so I just paired it with this vintage black blazer, little Chanel bag that I got from Rebag a while ago. Love this bag. And then my vintage Burberry skirt that I got this at a flea market in the Hamptons, which love a good flea market. And then my little red Corelle Mary Janes that I also got these in Paris. So this is the full outfit of the day. So now we are heading to the Jennifer Behr Bridal Fashion Week presentation. Jennifer Behr is actually the designer of my wedding earrings, so I'm very excited to see all the new pieces. The presentation is at the Edition Hotel, and it's so nice out that I am just walking there currently.